The Magistrates Court is set to deliver its ruling on the 12th of June regarding the interpretation application on the case involving former Prime Minister Voreqe Bainimarama, former Attorney General Aiyaz Sayed-Khaiyum and former Health Minister Dr. Sharma. The defence had sought clarification from the court regarding the legal definitions of public service and civil servants, which are central to the charges being considered. Defence lawyer Sharma argued to have the interpretation matter be heard in the lower court.
The matter in the case of former Prime Minister Voreqe Bainimarama, former Attorney General Aiyaz Sayed-Khaiyum and former Minister for Health Sharma was brought before Magistrate Sophia Hamza this afternoon, when the defence strongly opposed the proposed transfer. Defence lawyer Sharma told the court that several critical factors must be assessed before such a decision is made, including the nature of the case, the level of public interest, and the potential for prejudice against the accused. The defence counsel contended that moving the case to the High Court could prolong the scheduled trial, which is set for August this year. They also raised concerns that such a transfer could limit their clients' rights to appeal and delay proceedings unnecessarily. It is alleged that Bainimarama, who is charged with one count of abuse of office on the 13th of September 2011, being the Minister of Finance, recklessly abused his position as the Minister of Finance by granting a waiver of tender process without lawful justification in violation of the procurement regulation. Aiyaz Sayed-Khaiyum is charged with one count of abuse of office and one count of obstructing the course of justice. It is alleged that on the 20th of October 2011, being employed as the acting Minister of Finance, Sayed-Khaiyum recklessly abused his position as the Minister of Finance by granting a waiver of the tender process without lawful justification for a Ministry of Health tender CTN 153/2011 in violation of the procurement regulation. It is also alleged that on the 29th of June 2012, being employed in the public service as the Attorney General, Sayed-Khaiyum intentionally obstructed the FICAC investigation against Dr. Sharma relating to a health tender CTN 66/2011 by directing all investigation to be shelved until further notice, which resulted in the cessation of the FICAC investigation and no criminal charges being filed against Dr. Sharma for the past 10 years. Dr. Sharma is charged with 2 counts of abuse of office and 2 counts of breach of trust by persons employed in the public service. It is alleged that between 3rd August 2011 to 30th September 2011, Sharma abused his position as the Minister of Health by intentionally failing to comply with statutory requirements for tenders stipulated under the procurement regulation for the Ministry of Health tender CTN 66/2011 and actively engage in acts to undermine CTN 66/2011 in favor of the bidder, Hospital Engineering and Consultancy Limited, also known as Hospinia. The case will be called again on the 12th of June 2025. Eparamoa Rua, Fiji One News.